Suddenly the raindrops splashed and shooed him out. Then peeked out the warm sun, chasing clouds away. And the tiny brave spider climbed the spout again that day. The tiny brave spider climbed up the tall blue spout. A whoosh of rainy water came rushing, pouring out. The golden sun returned and dried the drops so fast. And the tiny brave spider climbed the spout once more at last. The tiny brave spider crept up the silver spout. A puddle from the sky came down and washed him out. The sunshine smiled brightly, drying every lane. And the tiny brave spider climbed up the spout again. The tiny brave spider climbed up the spout so high. The rain came tumbling down, splashing from the sky. But soon the sun was shining, warming up the day. And the tiny brave spider climbed back up to play.